Targray, Targray Technology International Inc., commonly referred to as Targray, is a Canadian multinational materials distributor headquartered in Kirkland, Quebec, that provides commodities and specialty materials to the international vegetable oil, biofuel, refined fuels, lithium-ion battery energy storage, and solar photovoltaics industries. Targray was established in 1987 in Beaconsfield, Quebec by metallurgical engineer Thomas A. Richardson to supply manufacturing materials and consumables for the compact disc manufacturing industry. As of 2019, the company operated sales offices, warehouses, and fuel terminals in Canada, the United States, the Czech Republic, Germany, Belgium, Switzerland, China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and India. Industries. Optical media. Targray has supplied materials used in the fabrication of optical discs and DVD since it was founded in 1987. The company is a global distributor of mastering, replication, and electroforming materials used to manufacture optical discs. Solar photovoltaics. In 2005, Targray launched its solar division, which supplies raw materials, electronics, and supply chain solutions for the international solar photovoltaics industry. As of 2016, the company was one of the largest global suppliers of solar wafers and polysilicon, a component used in the manufacturing of solar cells and semiconductor wafers. In April 2017, Targray announced that it had begun supplying junction boxes for photovoltaics manufacturing. Biofuels, biodiesel. Targray's biofuels division markets and trades bio-based fuels, primarily biodiesel, to local markets in the United States and Europe. The company is accredited by the National Biodiesel Board as a Bituminous 9000 biodiesel marketer and is a registered supplier with the United States Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) and the California Air Resources Board (CARB). In 2014, Targray opened an inventory location for its biodiesel supply in Bakersfield, California. It has since added fuel terminal locations in Stockton, Fresno, and Los Angeles, California, as well as in Cincinnati, Chicago, Tampa, and New Orleans. In February 2018, the California Air Resources Board published an executive order certifying Targray's biodiesel additive Catanox as an emissions equivalent additive under Appendix 1 of the ADF regulation, which governs the introduction and use of innovative alternative diesel fuels in California. The ADF regulation includes specific provisions designed to control potential increases in oxides of nitrogen NOx emissions that could otherwise be caused by the use of biodiesel under certain circumstances. In February 2019, Targray announced the establishment of a European biodiesel trading desk in Geneva, Switzerland. Lithium-ion batteries. Targray's battery division supplies advanced materials and electronic components used in the manufacturing of lithium-ion batteries. Notable products distributed by the battery division include anode materials, battery-grade lithium hydroxide, vegetable oils. In March 2021, Targray reported the opening of a vegetable oil trading desk in Geneva, Switzerland. The company stated that it was engaged in the supply and distribution of rapeseed oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, linseed oil, castor oil, and rice bran oil. History. 1989–2004 Early history. Targray was legally incorporated in 1989 under the name Targray Technology International Inc. The company's first recorded sales were clean room gloves sold to Americ Disc in Drummondville, Quebec. By 1995, Targray's selection of optical media products had grown to include a complete line of sputtering targets for all optical disc formats. Beginning in 1998, Targray underwent a series of expansions to accommodate its growing optical media business and workforce, and by 2004 the company had opened 5 international sales offices located in Dordrecht, Laguna Niguel, Taipei, Pinsk-Brezhny, and New Delhi. 2005 present, expansion and diversification. In 2005, Targray adopted a diversification strategy focused on high-growth industries, beginning with solar photovoltaics. The strategy led to an increase in sales for the company, and in 2006 it was ranked the ninth fastest-growing company in the province of Quebec for the previous 5-year period by Canadian French-language magazine Electrolyte. In 2008, Targray's solar products had surpassed its optical media line in total sales, and the company was included in Profit magazine's list of fastest-growing companies in Canada. In 2009, Targray's annual revenues exceeded US $250 million per year. In 2010 and 2012, Targray established two new business divisions, created to supply lithium-ion battery materials and bio-based fuels, respectively. Shortly thereafter, the company began marketing biodiesel blends from its terminal location in California. In October 2016, professional services firm Ernst & Young named Targray President Andrew Richardson the winner of the 2016 Quebec Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award. In December 2020, Financial Post ranked Targray No. 424 on the F500, an annual listing of the largest corporations in Canada by revenue. Partner organizations. Nonprofit organizations. Targray supports and collaborates with several nonprofit organizations operating in the energy storage, photovoltaics, and biofuel industries. The company is an institutional member of the Electrochemical Society, a full voting member of the National Biodiesel Board, and a corporate member of the Solar Energy Industries Association. References